Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I thank you for your support and for your views and comments. Thank you, because without you this channel cannot grow, but I'm seeing tremendous growth because of your support. Okay, in this video we are dealing with the bearings. Okay, 3-figure bearings to be precise. I have a question here which says, find the 3-figure bearing of X from Y. Okay, the 3-figure bearing of X from Y. Okay, so our reference point is Y, but it says here from Y. So at Y, we draw a north arrow like this. So the 3-figure bearing of X from Y is the angle between this north arrow and this line which goes to X. So this angle, okay, represented by this arc which I drew here. So that's the 3-figure bearing of X from Y, which is represented by this arc here. Okay, so remember, in 3-figure bearings we have to measure our angle starting from the north, and the north at Y, because we are saying X from Y, and then we move clockwise till we touch the line which goes to X. So we know that from this north up to this south line, we've got, let me just do this, we've got 180 degrees from the north to the south line. We've got 180 degrees, and here already between the south line and this line which goes to X, we've got 35 degrees. So the bearing of X from Y will be 180 degrees plus 35 degrees put together. So 180 degrees plus 35 degrees, we get 215 degrees. So the 3-figure bearing, of X from Y is 180 degrees, which is this one from north to south, plus 35 degrees already given in the question to give us 215 degrees. Okay, thank you guys for watching and for your support. See you in the next exciting videos. So we are still dealing, in the next upcoming videos, we are dealing with the bearings. We shall touch, after touching 3-figure bearings, we will move on to compass bearing. Thank you for your support.